How to do is send it on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can do and perform a send it on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to basically use send it on Snapchat, what you can try to do is you can go ahead and then first of all make sure you've downloaded the Send It application, which is available on your Play Store, and then make sure to open it up. When you open it up, it will ask you to link with the Snapchat ID. In my case I have already done that, so if you'd like to do that you can link with the Snapchat ID as well. Now here you can see different types of templates that you can use over here. You can say send your name to see your class set and so many other things that you might want depending upon what kind of games you want to play with your friends and what kind of snaps. You can just tap the play option here after you select the template, and now it will also load up in Snapchat over here, right? And once it loads up in Snapchat, you can just go ahead and then select any particular photo or whatever else. You can take a snap and say names, and then you'll gas them up or whatever else it is, depending upon whether it is an ask me anything, send it, or anything like that. You can select that, record a snap, and then simply send it to your friends. This way you can do a send it on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.